Oke bosku, di kesempatan kali ini kita panen lagi bosku. Panen sawit SG3 bosku. Ini dia lokasinya yang mau kita panen bosku. Oke bosku, langsung saja kita mulai panen bosku. Oke bos, panen lagi ya bos.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Langsung saja bos, kita panen.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Kita ke pokok satu ini lagi bos.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Cuma satu tandan saja bos.
You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Ketinggalan bos, SG satunya bos. SG satu bos. SG satu lagi bos. Di rawa. Di rawa jalan putus. Satu bos. Satunya.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Bos. Kita ke pokok satunya lagi bos.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Bos.
We meant to be
Woi. Tahu.
in the great
satu.
outdoors,
Satu.
forever free.
satu jam bos.
From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me
Satu bos. Lagi bos.
meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Bos. Bos, ada dua nih bos.